let's do an exercise to really kind of get it ingrained in us how to use these scales. And what I want to do is to have us convert our raw movies data into the visual channels that we're going to need to render our flowers. And the mapping is like before, PG rating to the type of flower petal, number of IMDb votes to the number of petals, and IMDb rating out of 10 to the size of petal, and the movie genre to the color of petals. And here's again a reference for the movies. And this time around, it's a slight bit different from how we've been doing it before, because we're going to actually create an array. So it's going to be an array of objects that we're going to then bind to our D3 selection. And the reason why I like doing it this way, where I separate out my raw movies array from my flowers array, and my flowers array will have all of the visual channels, visual encodings that I need to render to the DOM, and my movies array will have all of my original raw data. And the reason why I like to kind of like separate out these two data arrays, or sorry, these two arrays is because oftentimes when I'm creating visualizations, I might have multiple different visualizations that's based on the same for each, because they'll be different for each different visualization, and having that be kind of like its own contained array that doesn't mutate the original raw data, just so that like just so that, you know, one visualization, one calculation for one visualization doesn't mess up any calculation for another chart or visualization. And so even when I'm only so let's do that. And what we're going to do is for each of these 4 different things, let's use the right scale. On it correctly, then it will all render in this cell. And so this again is very similar to what we've done before. If you kind of want to look at what it should look like, what the flowers array should look like, this is what it should look like. But yeah,